Hi! In front of me is Realme 5i, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now go into additional settings, click on keyboard and input method and tap on Gboard. From here, click on theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Then select the photo that you want to apply. After that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. When you're done, tap on Apply. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!